looks like snakes trying to run away.
Whoa.
See, I told you.
Is it supposed to look like that? Doesn't it look like it's all going inwards?
It looks like snakes.
Like something's pulling it inwards.
Mermaids.
Alright, fine. It's too early.
Just another sunny day in Southern California. It's where the people came to play. Don't let them transform you. Oh.
I'm dead. Look at the road.
Hello.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Marina Hokulani and welcome to today's vlog. I'm so excited. Welcome to my Hawaii day in my life.
Yeah.
We have my sisters here. We got Maya Griffith. We got Misty Griffith.
Hi.
So, basically, my dad has recently bought a condo. That's where we're staying. I'm really excited. My dad got this place fully furnished and it's low-key so cute in here. Like, look at this matcha colored couch. It's so cute. With this painting. And then this couch matches this wall right here. And then this bed sheet also matches this mirror. And then all of these match. It's just so cute. Very well put together. Even the curtains match. I love it. My dad would have never have been able to put this all together himself. Even the fan. I feel like my apartment is so modern, but like this gives me homey Hawaii vibes. And also obviously this view is stunning. Yeah, she. Look at the mountains, bro. Look at all of these mountains and trees. What the fuck? Every time I come back to Hawaii, I get to go and chill on that. What? And all of that. There's a freaking cabana. I love it so much. And then we have bedroom number 2, mini condo tour. Bedroom number 2. This is what she looks like. We got TV, drawers, which I completely filled. Mirror, and then a spare fridge, which I just laid my shoes on. Cute. A big closet, lots of closet space. The lights, the matching bedside tables. I love the fans. Also, I'm so proud of myself because this is the first time that I actually unpacked my suitcase. I got an accessory drawer, this drawer. I have my electronics, film stuff, and a dirty fucking sock. And then this for my planner. And then I put every single outfit that I brought together in this drawer. And then same for this, workout clothes, and then extra shirts that I just like brought for pics. And then literally my favorite drawer ever. This is an entire bikini drawer. Yes, I did bring this many bikinis only because I'm filming a Shein bikini haul. Every single one of these are from Shein. It's so freaking adorable. Stay tuned for that video because I'm so excited. But anyways, you guys know my situation. Really grateful that I can leave home and come to my second home where I feel 100% comfortable and I can finally just relax because I've lived here my whole life and it just so happened to be paradise. So yeah. Definitely needed this. Definitely needed to be with my fam. Also, Maya is graduating. I know, I can't believe it. When I was a senior, Maya was a freshman. And now Maya is a senior and graduating. Where did the time go? Okay, enough talking. Let's go make a matcha. This hits. Alright, besties, so here's the fit. We got my hat from Brandy, earrings are from Brandy, necklace I made myself. Oh yeah, I don't even think I talked about this necklace yet, but look at how cute she is. It just says Hokulani, but like I wear it this way because I normally wear like matching gold jewelry, but yeah. And then I got this cute little bikini set from Shein. I'm obsessed with these type of tops right now because they make my boobs look good. And then I also got the matching bottoms. And then it also comes with this cute sarong. It looks so freaking cute together. Sarongs are like the new trend and I fucking love it because when I walk around now in a bikini, it'll hide my butt and I just, yes ma'am. And then for the pics, I brought this bucket hat also from Shein, which like matches because it's blue. Matcha number 2. Let's go.
In Alabama, with its vicious racists, with its governor having his.
It's what happened when I think about you. I get in my feelings, yeah. I start reminiscing, yeah. Next time around, think I want it to be different, yeah. Waiting on a sign, guess it's time for a different prayer. Lord, please save her for me.
Hello.
We've been doing gimme gimmies, and literally every single item has been in our car.
And yeah, my camera just died.
Rip. But we got
This not the cardboard.
yeah.
Don't get me, I'm tired. The infamous angel wings. Do your horse impersonation. Aesthetic.
Aquamarine toes.
Do you want your toes on the internet? They're dry.
I'd like to. I'd like to love you every day. I'd like to love you, love you.
Get the fuck.
I'd like to love you, love you.
We outside.
I'd like to love you, if I may. If I may.
No.
I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you night and day, if I may, may. I'd like to. I'd like to love you every day.
Give me the jam, dog. Give me the jam, dog. Give me the jam, dog. The bread. guys, Hoku always made me feel insecure about my tongue. Or
Oahu.
Can you believe they saw me when I was a freshman?
Not the moan.
And Missy has a boyfriend.
What are things that are dying?
You.
Your relationship?
What?
He said, what are things that are dying, right?
What are things that are dying?
Oh, in a dining room.
Oh. Glass plates.
Dish set? Dishette. Dishette.
Dishette.
Dishette. Dishette. Dishette.
What is it called? Dude, I should just be an impressionist.
Do your Shakira.
Lole, lole, lole. I'm at your feet. Whenever we're meant to be together. I'll be here and you'll be near. Dude, one time I was walking and my friend thought it was Ariana and he drove past when I was walking with mom and he rolled down the window and he was like, pow, pow, pow. And he just left. And then he texted me later on and he was just like, oh, I'm sorry, I thought you were Ariana. I was like, what the fuck?
To mom. I'm done.
They're gonna think that I have a boyfriend or I'm with a guy because my Starbucks name says Kyle and it says item 2 of 2, meaning there's 2 people with me. People are literally gonna think I'm with a guy. So this is my guy.
Bye. Got my nipple pasty right there out in the back seat.
People are really gonna think I'm on a date.
Bitch, we're still on that.
Yeah.
It's been 30 minutes.
Did she just bang the car?
What the fuck? She didn't check.
We got that on camera. Bang her car again, I dare you.
She didn't even say sorry.
I know. Let me do it to her car. Just kidding. If you guys didn't see, here are the snower puppies. No, this is one.
Show them the layers.
Ew.
We can't. No, show them. No, it looks good in. Why is it not fucking showing? Okay, to the side. It's all on your shirt.
Dang it.
What time is it?
Holy. Hoku. You. Look at us in our eyes.
Ooh, that's a cute dress, Lucky, that the girls wear.
Mm-hmm.
I would wear that with green.
Yeah, that is cute. Oh my. I don't know what you think you're doing. I inhaled that.
I told you. This is an outside of the car situation.
Look at my phone.
You just got
Crazy. Is that the one I was eating?
Did you hear the crunch?
Yeah, it's so crunchy. Look at the custard.
Show it, but
I can't believe we got 10 of these. I'm in full eye contact with that guy when I'm eating and he laughed. Hey, come here.
Oh my god. What is that light, bro? It's a fire. The second you walk in, it's cold. It's eerie. Scared. You go first. Dude, wait. Honestly, is this a warning sign?
Is it recording?
Come in, Hoku.
Go ahead.
There's enough space. Actually, you would get clashed a little bit. Actually, yeah, no.
Yeah, so it says fucking let's kill the. I love it.
Okay, let's get out.
What does it say?
Mid-Atlantic Devils, and then someone died, I think.
Okay.
I thought there was a straight drop, but no. Krish, let's go to the top one.
We don't have to speak, girl. Say
I'm gonna do like 30.
Yeah, oh well.
we don't have to go nowhere. Saving out the movie. We can just fly away.
Yeah, I guess what I just realized right now as I'm recording this, Maya stole my earrings and she didn't give them back to me. She took them off my ears while I was driving because she was going to a drive-by and she wanted to wear them. I just realized that. You see that, Maya? Those are earring holes for the earrings I'm missing.